Pakistan is a country located in South Asia, bordered by India, Afghanistan, Iran, and China. It is home to over 220 million people and has a rich and diverse culture, history, and geography. Our beloved country has four weathers: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Let's explain.
Summer is a season that brings long days and a sense of relaxation to many people around the world. This time of year is often associated with fun, vacation, and outdoor activities. It's a time when people come together to celebrate and enjoy the beauty of season.
Winter is a time for warmth and comfort. With the colder weather, people tend to spend more time indoors and engage in activities that bring them warmth and coziness. From the curling up with a good book and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Winter is a time to slow down and a warm blanket to sipping hot chocolate by the fire. Winter is a time for holidays and family gatherings. These holidays bring people together to celebrate, share traditions, and spend time with loved ones.
Spring is a season that brings new life, growth, and a sense of renewal to many people around the world. This time of year is often associated with flower, fresh air, and a feelings of rejuvenation. It's a time when people come together to celebrate and enjoy the beauty of season.
Autumn is also known as fall season. This is a season that brings cooler weather, shorter days, and a sense of change and transformation to many people around the world. This time of year is often associated with colorful leaves, pumpkin spice, and the feeling of coziness. It's a time when people come together to celebrate and enjoy the beauty of the season. This is my Pakistan that is full of beautiful weathers and charming beauties. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.